Yo, what is up, you guys? Oh my god, y'all. I have some homemade food, y'all. Look at this. Fresh hot wings, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see the steam. Probably not until I bite into it. Hold on. Oh, wait. Let's take a bite of this. Hot. See that steam? Alright. Oh my god, I'm amazing. Cook. We got some mac and cheese, you guys. Homemade, hot, steamy mac and cheese. And then I just air fried these. I put some seasoning on it. Then I'm gonna go in with my own little twangy mix, you guys. We're gonna try it out. So first, we have some ranch here too. We'll put that right there.
Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Stevensushipr.
But first, let's go in with a little bit of standard red hot wings, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Ooh, yes. And then I'm gonna do Nando's peri peri sauce. If you're from the UK, you know about Nando's, or if you've been to the UK, you know about Nando's. I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to do a little bit of honey. So I know you're probably like, what the heck, Steven? What? I want a little honey for a little sweetness. Come on now. And then we're just gonna go in, guys, and shake everything up, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna try this food, you guys. I'm so excited. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Oh my gosh. That smells amazing. That smells amazing. If y'all want to see homemade food better, give this video a thumbs up. Ranch. Guys, y'all only have a smacky morning. Don't watch this video. This video's not for you. Also, and I'm gonna kick it up a notch with some more Franks. Oh my god. You guys, we're gonna tear up this food like never before. I'm so excited. If y'all are excited as I am, let's dig right in, you guys. Heavenly Father, God, we bless you for your blessing, in Jesus' name. Amen. Let me try the mac and cheese first. Oh, I forgot pepper. I love pepper on my mac and cheese. This one fell apart. Let's try it without ranch first. Mmm. 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 Whose mouth right now is watering? I know mine is. You know what? Let's try this. A hot wing with the mac and cheese. Yo, homemade food is way better. I made these wings to perfection. Look at that. No pink inside, right? Okay, cool. Get away, fly. Yeah, yeah, you want some, right? Get away, fly. Hell no. Out of my damn face. Mmm. Mmm. You guys can't even taste the honey. Mmm. Excuse all the smacking. If this aren't the best wings ever, I don't know what is. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Nothing beats homemade wings, you guys. So unfortunately we only have Ken's Ranch because Des, she loves Ken's Ranch. So y'all need to try this. So let me put you on. Let me put you on something. This is store-bought mac and cheese. This is Stouffer's. I know you're like, ew, Stouffer's. Try it first. Try it first. But you know what mac and cheese I love even better than Stouffer's? If you know, you know. Trader Joe's mac and cheese. Oh my gosh. Oh. Also, I wanted to remind you guys, I know you're going to hear it more until the day comes, but I just want to say thank you to everybody who has, from me and Des, who have purchased stuff for our registry. We're not asking for anything, but for those who want to support, and for those who have already supported, we've decided that we're going to do like a baby shower video on our second channel, and all the packages we get from our registry, we're going to open them up on camera as like a baby shower video, so you guys can feel a part of it even more, you know. So the date is to be announced. We're thinking maybe the first week of November. So all those Amazon people, we haven't forgot you. Thank you so much. We're going to do a huge baby shower video the first week of November. And yeah. Well, you know what's good when your nose is runny. You know what's good when your nose is runny. God. Peri peri sauce. Walmart. This has a little bit of sweetness, but it has like that citrus, I think. Kick. Oh, and if you're on keto, it's 0 carbs. Yo, I wish I knew about this if I wasn't on keto. It tastes thick, like it wouldn't be like low carb, but it's bomb. Walmart. We got it from Walmart. We got it from the grocery Walmart. You guys know Walmart comes in clutch when it comes to dressings. Like, I love going to the Walmart section. Anything buffalo, anything new that's like buffalo flavored, I buy. Because you guys know that I love wings. Buffalo wings are my favorite. Like this type of stuff. Like, I love, like, me and Des, I eat this on everything. When it says put that on everything, yo, I put it on mac and cheese, pizza, wings, chicken, steak. I know you're thinking it's weird, but bomb. Who'd have known wings and mac would have went together? So Nate put me onto the Stouffer's. But I'm like, yo, you gotta try Trader Joe's. Okay, so for those who hate frozen mac and cheese, and you have a Trader Joe's and you have not had it, but you love the taste of like authentic home sharp cheddar creamy mac and cheese, you gotta go to Trader Joe's. Bomb. Yo, this is like one of the best mukbangs I've ever done in a long time. And that is how you clean a bone. Oh shit, this is a little pink. You can't eat pink chicken, right? You guys? That's why I've kind of always been afraid of making my own wings until I got an air fryer. I like them to be super crispy. Usually when I do wings, it'll be some peri peri sauce. First time doing honey, and honestly, I would do it again. But next time I would add more to get that like that honey twang, that sweet twang. I would definitely do honey again, for sure, 100%. So you want to have like that little glaze, like Asian zing at Buffalo Wild Wings is my new favorite flavor. Well, it's been one of my favorite flavors forever, and I can't seem to like create my own version of it. So honey kind of gives me that little bit of like that little Asian zing taste. This a little bit does too, but this is more spicier than sweet. And then of course, you know, Frank's Red Hot. This is more for wings. Like the other time, I made Des and I buffalo. was it? Chicken cheesy buffalo chicken dip. If y'all want to see that on a video, let me know. I'm so down. Bring all the fixings. It's so good, you guys. It's like sour cream, shredded chicken, buffalo, cheese. You put it in the oven. It's almost like a casserole. You can dip vegetables in there, chips in there. It's so bomb, you guys. If you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Comment down below. Say yes to the buffalo dip. Yes to the buffalo dip. I'm on a buffalo kick right now, as much as I am right now on like a pumpkin spice kick right now. Like this morning, I got a venti pumpkin cream spice cold brew with no water. If you guys get no water, it's like super strong with no ice. Bomb, you guys. I promise you guys will not regret it. If you're a caffeine addict like me, I'm gonna go drink another coffee. But you know, let's finish the mac and cheese. No mac and cheese left behind. Bomb, you guys. Y'all want to see more videos? Give this video a thumbs up. I film every single day. I'll see you guys next video. All right.